thinking. Well done. That's good. Good distance. Is this 2 cars or 3 car space?
I think it's a 2 car. But if I go there, the one is I blocked, so that's why I stay
Yeah, half
behind.
in and half out.
Yeah.
This mean we are ready to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that's good. Perfect. Well done. And now you're thinking and you're fixing your faults, which is really good. Keep going ahead. Slow down. You slow down.
Yes.
Slow down. Yeah, this is good. We go in the gap here.
I'm going in the gap.
Yeah. If you don't stop, then you must stop. Because he's passed already, but you need to pass. It's not your fault, his fault, because he come really fast. We're gonna go ahead. You see anything on the left that gonna cause you to stop or change your speed?
Check my right side and I take some right. And again I check left side mirror and I come here.
That's fine. Good.
But less speed and less.
Steer, come to the left. We go enough space here. Can you see the double yellow line?
Yes.
So we need to be close. She's waiting. Keep going ahead. After green lights, we are turning left.
Okay.
After the second light, that one. So now you need to look here for your position, okay? Just slow down a bit because he's big. Slowly move forward. That's good. We're turning left.
Okay.
Yeah? Here, this way. On this road as well.
As well as narrow.
Yeah, this is the holdback position. So go very slow if the bus is coming.
I go the
No,
safe
slow.
gap is
Just
there.
move
Okay.
forward. It's okay. Don't go there. It's
Okay.
less space. He's stopping because there's a bus stop. So don't panic when you see him. Just relax and look.
Okay.
Look at the situation. There's a bus stop on your right and he is stopping. So you got enough space to go. Which way you come in now? Because your lane is free?
Yes.
That's good.
Left side.
That's good. If your path is clear, then which way you come? You drive always. Which way you drive?
Left side.
Yes. So keep going ahead. Especially when you come on this road, you will see the parked cars here always. So you plan early to move to the right, so you come around the cars, okay? On this road, remember this. Because this is a test route road. If we got enough space, we keep going. We got enough, but look in the left mirror, look here and go. It's fine. When you check your left mirror, you will see the distance, and if it's safe, keep going. Is visibility okay now? Can you see properly?
Yeah.
So we need to turn this off. Fog light from the middle. That light is off. If we need it again, we're gonna turn it back on again, okay? This is the test center, so we need to be careful. If there's many cars, we need to deal with them properly, okay? Because you can fix your faults here for the meeting and oncoming cars as well. If you do it properly, this is the place. Slowly move forward, and you can go from the gap very, very slow and go. Now come to the left. Keep going. Keep going. Yes. You need to stop. Go now.
Turn around when possible, then turn left. You will arrive at your destination at 9:09 a.m.
Going ahead.
I'm going the left side.
Ahead,
Not
yes.
Ahead.
Ahead.
Okay.
So for ahead, we
no
don't
need
need
to-
signal,
no,
okay?
No need to signal.
After 50 yards, go round the roundabout, 4th exit. Then you have reached your destination.
We're gonna go ahead, okay?
Okay. I'm waiting here. No need to come.
Yeah. Go ahead. This is fine. Next roundabout ahead.
Ahead.
Go round the roundabout,
Yes.
4th exit.
Ahead, ahead.
Okay. I'm waiting for Ben.
Yeah. He's turning left. Look on the left as well, okay? There's a car there, parked car.
Where I'm going now?
Ahead, there,
Ahead.
first exit.
First exit.
Yes. Keep going. Look on the left as well for your position, okay? Keep going ahead. Speed is 30. If your road is clear, speed up. But keep in your lane. Keep in your lane, okay?
After 200 yards, turn right. Then turn around when possible.
Just keep going ahead. Little bit to the right. We don't want to go next to the curb, okay? These are parked cars.
You will arrive at your destination at 9:06 a.m.
What's the speed on this road?
I think so 30.
Okay.
I didn't see any new speed. Nobody for crossing. Yeah, it's 20.
Yeah.
Now it's 20. Oh.
It's okay. This is zebra crossing. Okay, now we can go.
Now speed is 30.
Okay. We're gonna go ahead. At the mini roundabout, we are turning right. Can you see the zebra crossing?
Yeah, I see zebra crossing.
Okay. So mini roundabout, we are turning right. And this roundabout is very, very small, so we need to do it with the good speed. Creep forward a bit so you can see. Can you see this arrow? So
Yeah,
we're
yeah.
gonna go round at the
Round,
arrow
yeah.
and there, round the roundabout, okay?
I think so now I go.
You go slowly, signal on, go round, very, very slow speed. This is perfect, keep going. Okay, this is nice, fine, okay. Keep going ahead now.